A large unit with the view of the mountain with great facility and also close to the city is at the Touch Hill condominium. Hello everyone, you are here with me, Noon Perfect Home, and today we are going to take a look at the property for sale. At living space is 122.47 square meter. It's a fully furnished 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and this unit has a great feature that is a corner unit on the 6th floor, and you can enjoy the view of the mountain all day long. This Touch Hill condominium is located at Chang Subdistrict, Mueang District, Chiang Mai Province, and it has offered a great facility like outdoor swimming pool, fitness center, a sauna, and security 24-hour with the key card access system. This apartment is really nice, so let's go check it out. Oh wow! First thing that you walk into this apartment is the view from the mountain. It looks really nice. But before we get to that, let's start with this kitchen area. This kitchen area is connecting to the living area, and the kitchen has designed really modern. This is a built-in kitchen counter, black tile contrast with this nice furniture here. It has got a big mirror here with the blind as well, and many storage over there and down here as well. And it has come with all kitchen appliances like refrigerator, washing machine here, built-in electric stove, and the hood here as well, including the microwave. This corner, this is really nice corner for you to sit in, get some work done, or prepare some food. This apartment, all the floor are laminate floor, and the wall is decorated with the wallpaper, really nice. This living area, from this spot you'll be able to enjoy the view of your mountain because it has got a very big glass sliding door. It has come with the blind and the block out curtain. This is really nice coffee table here, built-in counter, TV stand, really nice. And this area, this is a dining area that's suitable for 6 people. You still can enjoy your meal at the same time to enjoy the view of the mountain. And it has got really nice chandelier there, nice painting as well. And this living room and the kitchen area have offered 2 air conditioners. And this corner, this is where you can sit and put on or take off your shoe, very convenient, and big mirror here for you to check out yourself before you leave apartment. And this is a bathroom. It can be guest bathroom or bathroom for the second bedroom. It's very modern design, come with wet and dry, separate wet and dry area. It's got everything that you need. Now let's go check the second bedroom. For this second bedroom, it's also spacious. It has come with all built-in furniture that you will need, such as a working desk with the chair here, many drawers and the shelf here as well. This dressing table has got a big mirror here and built-in wardrobe with 2 sliding doors and another storage over there. And right behind me, this is the door that's connect to the bathroom that I mentioned earlier in the video. And right next to this one, this bed is about 6 foot and has come with a bedside table and the lamps. TV stand, built-in TV stand here, look really nice. This second bedroom has connects to the balcony and you can enjoy the view of the mountain from here. And it's got this glass sliding door that will allow you to see the whole mountain. And it has come with blind and the block out curtain as well. This small bedroom has 1 air conditioner. Now let's move to check the master bedroom. This master bedroom is really spacious with open plan of the nice view. On both sides, you will get a glass sliding door that will allow you to enjoy the view of the tree from your bed. Before we get to the view, let's start with this one. This is a working area, come with a shelf here, and it's also got the light here during the day or night that you want to work without disturbing your partner. And right next to this one, this is built-in counter, TV stand. You can keep some stuff over here. And right behind the television, this is the glass sliding door that you can keep it open or close it up, but still able to enjoy the view of the tree from your bed. And this master bedroom, it has come with bright curtain, block out curtain, and it's got a 6 foot bed here with a 2 side table with the lamp and nice painting over there. And it's also come with 1 air conditioner as well. And right behind me, this is a walk-in closet. It has got this sliding door, come with this nice dressing table and built-in wardrobe, really nice. On my left hand, this is a modern bathroom, come with everything that you will need. Nice basin counter, big mirror, and this is the highlight of this bathroom. It has got a bathtub here, big mirror over there that you can enjoy the view of the greenery. And this is a shower bath that's separate from wet and dry area. Overall, I love this bathroom. So that's it for today. What do you think about this apartment? Please comment below. Just before we go, this apartment is 124.47 square meter, fully furnished, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, located on the 6th floor, and it's a corner unit with a nice view of the mountain. This Touch Hill condominium has offered a good facility like outdoor swimming pool, fitness center, and covered parking, and also good security system as well. And also this condominium is just right opposite International Exhibition Convention Center and close to Chiang Mai Fish Market as well, One Niman Mall, Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall, and only 15-minute drive to Chiang Mai International Airport. And to get to this condominium is also very easy. Let's start from Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall, get on Hoi Kiao Road, cut to Canal Road, about a few minutes, just cut to rural roads and you will see this condominium on your left hand. So if you want to schedule to see this apartment or for more information, please call me or comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss a great property like this from us. See you next time. Bye!